Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Master That English, where we understand, analyze and interpret the important texts and concepts that may be part of your English curriculum. Our topic for today is Pseudo-silence, the Elixir for women in Aphra Behn's work, The Amorous Prince. So get your pens and notepads ready, cause here we go. Since time immemorial, women have been delegated two binary roles. The first being the obedient persona of a woman that is characterized by dependent tendencies, making her a damsel in distress. The other has been attributed to the mythological or demonic individual, where she is self-sufficient by nature. You can identify with these individuals by the names of Harley Quinn, Catwoman, and Cruella in the Hollywood movies. These confinements have restricted women in many ways, which is why there is a strong need to break the stereotypes. This can be practiced through the discourse of pseudo-silence. As a practice, pseudo-silence not only focuses on the disclosure of the individual identity, but it also promotes self-preservation. Hence, we can say that pseudo-silence is the process when the individual maintains a passive exterior to befool the opponent so as to stealthily move towards one's goal. This discourse can be observed in the work of the Restoration writer, known for her libertine spirit, reflected through her comedies. Yes, my friends, you guessed it right. We are talking about Aphra Behn. In her work, The Amorous Prince, pseudo-silence can be analyzed in two ways. The first being metamorphic pseudo-silence, where the individual transforms into a stronger individual. The other being anamorphic pseudo-silence, when the individual creates an illusion around herself with a distorted image. In the metamorphic pseudo-silence, the character Chloris adapts to the changed circumstances and emerges as a stronger individual. Even in the present scenario, young girls, while using dating sites, chat rooms and apps, are being exploited and becoming victims when they are giving away personal data in the process, thereby ending up losing a lot of finances and dignity. So in order to protect oneself from the fraudulent traps, a woman needs to adopt metamorphic pseudo-silence by only sharing information that may not backfire. The anamorphic pseudo-silence is the tool to be adopted by every woman after marriage, just as Clarina does so, especially if the circumstances are not very favorable. Under the circumstances, a woman needs to use her wit and power of observation by identifying the obstacles in her path without showing her agitation in the process, so that she can gradually work towards the removal of the obstacles to make her life better. Raging and ranting may not always provide a solution to the problem. Eventually, we can conclude that pseudo-silence is a lethal weapon for the weaker sex because it enables her to slowly achieve her objective without resorting to physical force. In the world of black and white, grey turns out to be a woman's armor, enabling every damsel to transform into a stronger woman. In the words of Mahadevi Verma, marry the sword and bangle together. And this is only possible, my friends, through pseudo-silence. To get a psychological insight to the topic, click on the link given in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed the lecture. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new to the family, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. This is me, Karishma. Until we meet next time. Take care.